Today, I'm going to show you how you can launch a business using nothing but AI. Starting a business used to be way more complicated than it is now. You had to wear the hats of 20 different experts or raise massive amounts of capital just to get started. It kind of reminds me of the gatekeepers in Willy Wonka who tried to make it impossible for anyone to strike out on their own. But here's the good news. We're living in a time of technological revolution where you can launch a full-on business using AI alone. And the wildest part? You don't even need prior business knowledge to get started. I saw a quote from Netflix CEO Ted Sarandos that perfectly sums it up. AI won't replace jobs, but it will replace humans who don't know how to use it. This is why it's crucial to get on board now. Literally, anyone can start a business using AI, and they can do it over a weekend. Let me walk you through how. First up, idea generation. Not sure what kind of business to start? No problem. AI can handle that for you. Simply head over to Idea Generator. AI or use ChatGPT to throw out any and every thought you have. It will come back to you with some awesome ideas. For your first business, I recommend something you can handle solo without needing a big team. I'll link a Shopify article with low-cost business ideas below. Here's the exact question I asked ChatGPT. I'm starting a business, and you are my business coach. Give me 10 personalized ideas that can be run remotely, with no upfront costs, and with big market potential. If you want to master prompts like this, I highly recommend checking out my guide on how to prompt like a pro. Out of the 10 ideas ChatGPT gave me, the one that stood out was a digital marketing agency. Whatever idea you go with, make sure it's something you're passionate about. AI will handle a lot of the heavy lifting, but the more you love what you're doing, the better your results will be. Here's some quick wisdom from a recent interview we did with Noah Kagan on how to find the perfect business idea. Look at your credit card statement. What do you spend money on? Maybe you can create a business selling those same things. Or think about what frustrates you. Apps, household products, etc. Maybe you can create a solution. Start by identifying problems you have, and chances are other people would gladly pay you to solve them too. Now, let's talk about market research. Once you have an idea, how do you know if there's a demand? Instead of spending hours doing research yourself, just use Frederick AI. This tool will handle your market research, competitor analysis, create a mission statement, and even craft your business plan. It's a game changer and a must-have for validating your idea. Next, let's work on naming your business. Head over to namingmagic.com, pop in your idea and some keywords, and boom, AI will spit out name suggestions. Or go back to ChatGPT and ask for 20 name ideas until one clicks. But before you fall in love with a name, make sure the domain is available. If possible, grab a .com because it's the most recognizable. Got your name? Now it's time to create a standout logo. AI has you covered here too. I use Luca.ai to generate logos. You input your business name, industry, color scheme, and attributes, and in seconds you've got a logo. If it's not perfect, just click Load More until you find one that resonates. Your logo will go on everything from your website to emails, so pick something that represents your brand and excites you. Once you've got a name and a logo, it's time to think about how to create your product or service using AI. There are so many tools for this, whether you're creating an ebook, course, or even physical products. For example, I'm using AI Book Generator to create a social media marketing guide that I can sell online. With just a few inputs, AI acts like a ghostwriter and delivers a full guide ready to sell. For those thinking about creating physical products, check out Wonder AI. It helps you design custom products for print on demand. You can connect it to your Printify account, and Wonder AI will even upload product descriptions, keywords, and prices directly to your Shopify store. The whole process is practically hands-off. Marketing is the final piece of the puzzle. Let's hop over to Google Gemini and ask for the top 10 ways to market your new business. You'll get great ideas, but I'm also going to recommend using Okoya, which can create social media content, schedule posts, and track analytics for you. Okoya isn't free, but it's worth every penny. Lastly, let's talk about using AI to help with contracts. There are AI tools like AI Contract Generator and Contractable that can create agreements for you. Just remember to review them carefully or consult a legal professional. And there you have it. You've just built an entire business using only AI. And it didn't take long, did it? If you followed along, your Shopify store should be ready to go. Make sure to integrate some AI apps to help streamline your workflow. And before you know it, you'll be running a business like a pro. I'm AI Chick, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.